let's talk about how we select the filter media for our cartridges. Similar to bags, we have to consider 5 key factors when discussing which kind of filter media we're going to choose. Our first one is temperature. Second, resistance to the chemical makeup of the airstream. If we have a highly corrosive gas, or if we have the presence of humidity and other chemicals that can attack the different medias, we have to take that into consideration when selecting our media. Our third is ability to capture the target dust size and the physical characteristics of the dust that we're collecting. For example, our application might have extremely fine dust, things like welding fumes, smoke capture. If this is the case, we may need to select a filter media that has a much higher collection efficiency at those smaller particle sizes. Also, if our dust is particularly abrasive or sticky, or if our dust is not uniformly dust, we have some bigger pieces, maybe even strips or chunks, we may need to use a filter media that's not so tightly packed on our cartridge so that the dust can release correctly when pulsed. Our fourth thing to consider is collection efficiency. So for environmental reasons, we may need to capture a higher percentage of our particles than the cheaper fabrics and medias that we use. And then lastly, after taking all of those 4 things into consideration, our 5th consideration is price. Which of the medias available to us will deliver on all of those 4 areas while being the most cost effective?